I got an onion boil. This is my breakfast, by the way. I need water. Stop.
We got an onion bowl today. First bite for you. Why does this look like an eyeball? I forgot my limon. We got shrimp. Look at these mussels on that broth. This potato looks so good. The eggs are probably my favorite part. I like to scoop up the butter with the onion. Look at all that. Look at my sausage.
Fuck that dumbass mukbang bitch.
I know she's lying. Look at my sausage. It looks so good. Sausage and onion. For the ones that don't like me eating the shell. But y'all, I don't know really how to peel it, honestly. Fuck it. Yo, my niece is crying. Egg. I love her family. A 10 out of 10 onion bowl. I don't think she cooked this onion all the way, but it's still pretty good. So I'm gonna keep eating it because this tasting a little oniony now. Shrimp head and onion. It's my last bite.
I'm at an onion boil. Peace.
Today I have an onion boil. Ooh. Let's stuff the core with rice. Cheers. Mm-hmm. Mm. Eating the rice with this, I'm kind of full now. This could pass as a meal. Let's finish the last onion though. Hope everybody's having a blessed day. Love y'all. I gotta go to Walmart later.
We've got another onion boil. I can't even tell y'all how excited I am. Oh my gosh. Let's dig in. Give that a dip. Cheers. I thought about eating some seafood with this, but I was like, you know what? It's perfect on its own. It never feels totally normal eating a whole onion for dinner. It's just so good. There's the middle. Ooh, that piece was hot. So tasty. I think this might be the biggest onion I've had. I think I saw someone comment that these have no flavor, that they just taste like straight onion, which is like so not true. They're so flavorful. It's basically like a seafood boil without the seafood. I think I'm done. Thanks for eating with me. Bye.
Got a spicy onion boil.
Here, have a bite. Tonight I'm eating an onion boil. Oh my god, look at that. Let's start with the jammy eggs. Oh my god. No way, that was so good. With a lot of sausage. Let's see if my onion will have a baby. Ugh. That's weird. I always want it to come from the top, but it comes out from the bottom. Anyways. Oh my god. She's fully naked now, but this is the best part. Oh. Again, how do people eat this? I mean, this is really hard to eat. I love sausage. Oh my god, look at the bottom. I'm just gonna bite it like this. That was a fail. Let's make an onion taco. Smother it in some sauce. Add a sausage, some muscle meat, jammy egg. Oh my god. Squeeze some lemon. Oof, oof. The perfect bite. Wow, that was so good. Let's eat some corn. Every time someone comments what's the slurping for, I feel like they haven't reached flow state and that's why they don't get it. A little mussel with some lemoncito. Ooh, look at that. So good. Ooh, look at that.